Well, it's raining again. You're standing at your back window, coffee in hand, looking out at the yard. But you're not looking at the beautiful grass or the garden you planted last spring. You're looking at the stagnant pool of water that has taken up residence right next to your foundation.
Maybe the middle of your yard has turned into a marsh that your dog refuses to walk in. You know you need a solution. You've searched Google, you've heard the term French drain thrown around dozens of times. It sounds fancy, but it's actually a fairly simple concept. A trench, some gravel, and a perforated pipe designed to move water from point A to point B. The hard question is, who do you call to install it?
While searching, you're going to see a lot of options. Plumbers, landscapers, general contractors. That guy who posted a flyer on your mailbox offering odd jobs in hauling?
Here's the honest truth. You need to call an experienced drainage industry professional who understands your pain points and the solutions to relieve them. When you have a toothache, you don't go to a general practitioner. You go to a dentist. When your car transmission blows, you don't take it to a guy who specializes in changing tires. Or at least we hope you don't. Drainage is a trade. It is a specific skill set that sits comfortably between landscaping and civil engineering. The problem is that many homeowners assume that because a French drain involves dirt and digging, any landscaper can do it. Or because it involves pipes, a plumber is the right fit. This is where the professionals come in. A company like Fusion Grading and Drainage doesn't just guess. They use professional laser-guided equipment to ensure the grade is perfect. We're talking about precision to the fraction of an inch. They ensure that the water is constantly moving away from your property at the correct velocity. If the water moves too slow, sediment drops out and clogs the pipe. If it moves too fast, in certain scenarios, it can cause erosion at the discharge point. It's a balancing act that requires the right gear. When you ask, who do I call to install a French drain? The answer is someone who eats, sleeps, and breathes drainage. You want a company that understands hydrostatic pressure, soil composition, and laser-precise grading. You want Fusion Grading and Drainage. Don't let your yard be a swamp for another season. Call the pros who have the tools, the commercial-grade materials, and the know-how to fix it for good. To learn more, visit us online at fusiongrading.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube for regular updates on what our team has to offer. Let it rain, we've got you covered.